Morning, folks. Welcome to Everything's Broken. We're here at the Colchester Bale Fill, and we're going to unload all this construction debris from my trailer from doing the renovations on my house. Look at all the MDF. Holy. There's some 4x4s there I might be interested in. Maybe I'll get them in my trailer later. They're not really supposed to be taken from, but I mean, they could have been in my trailer. Who's to know? Who's to tell? Alrighty. I think I'll put you on time lapse. All right, whew. Got that all cleaned out. Now I want to take a look at those. Sorry, got you all messed up there. Whew. I'm going to pass on that because that's just taking home somebody else's junk. I think wife wouldn't be impressed. I can't get over all that OSB. Like I say, it must have been a cabinet maker or something. So I still got a tote of glass in there that I got to drop, and I got to close my tailgate. Whew. Job well done. Job done well. Boy. Alright. Alright, I'll pause you and see you in a little bit. Yeah, so that wasn't bad. We just dropped off all that wood material, and I had a tote there full of glass. Well, half full of glass. Anyway. So for that full trailer load, it cost me $11.20 Canadian. It's not bad at all. Get rid of that out of my yard. Now I got another load that's going to take me a couple days up in my backyard. I got some tree stumps up there. That one is huge. I don't even know how I'm going to get it on the trailer and get it off the trailer. I might actually get my buddy to come and get that one. I should put up my window so that you guys can not hear the road noise, wind noise, whatever. So yeah, now we're going to go and, I'm going to go meet Brandon for lunch, because the supper that we had yesterday, I guess, wasn't enough. He's still hungry. Went out for supper last night, and it was 11 of us for supper. We went to the public house in Truro, and took us damn near an hour to get drinks. So, kind of got frustrated. I guess we got hangry, all of us. And we left there and we went to the Belly Up, where we were served like that, because that's how we roll. Anyway, yeah, so he just messaged me. I guess he's hungry again, and so we're gonna go grab a bite to eat. And so I'll catch you on the flip-flop. Peace and cheers, and God bless. Just wanted to pop back on here and give a shout out to can't remember his name. Ha! Anyways, he calls himself Gator on YouTube here, and you can find him at Triple R Garage. So he's down in Florida, and he's fixing trailers and all kinds of stuff. So give him a shout out. Look at his channel. If you can't find him, let me see here. I'm looking him up on my phone. If you can't find him, go type in at Triple R Garage, all one word, and on here it's in caps, and then it's a dash E9W. I don't know what that is, but anyway, it's at Triple R Garage dash E9W, and the E and the W are small case letters, but everything else is in caps. So check him out. He's a good bit of fun to watch. Right now he's a small YouTuber. He's got 196 subscribers. He's fun to watch, like I said, and I'm sure if you watch him, you'll find that he's a hoot. So give him a watch. And subscribe to my damn channel too, would you? Freak man, come on. Oh, hey. Just had some fish and chips too with Brandon, and his cousin Matt showed up, so that was good seeing him. I haven't seen him in about a year or more. It's good seeing him. So yeah, now we'll go home in the yard and do some work, I guess. Oh, excuse me, or take a nap. I could use a nap. I stayed up till 4 o'clock the other night and was doing house plans, and then I got up at 7:30 and went and done a home inspection. Oh, it's Friday and I'm beat. Anyways, catch you on flip-flop. I don't know what video I'll be doing next or what I'll include you in, but we'll find something for you. Cheers for now.